late to class.
Okay, class. Today, we're going to be discussing brackets. They are the very foundation of C++. Mr. Jelinek, thanks for joining us today. Come on in, have a seat.
So, what nerd shit are you working on?
Hey! Don't touch this.
Fine, touchy subject. Look, man, I found something last night and I think you should take a look at it.
Well, what is it?
You're into that Lost episode kind of stuff, right?
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Lost Media. It's my current project. I'm cataloging every Lost episode of anything ever.
See, I knew you'd be interested.
Jumping out of the shadows behind you, trying to shank your ass.
I don't believe that.
What are you guys talking about? What's so important that you have to interrupt me in the middle of class?
I'll show you here later.
This is what I was talking about, man. Doesn't seem like anybody can crack it.
Are you kidding me? This is so old. It basically runs on DOS.
I'm telling you, no one can seem to crack it.
I can hack it. Boom. That there is the certified Jared firewall breaker. The best breaker that I know of.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
I'm sorry. I wouldn't expect a theater major like you to know.
I don't see why you have to make fun of me for that. You can learn a lot through theater, you know, like the classics.
Oh, really? Like what?
Well, right now we're reading Julius Caesar by Shakespeare.
Julius Caesar? Like the guy from history? Really? The hell's it about?
Well, it's about, Julius Caesar. A guy on top who is then stabbed in the back by his close confidant and best friend. Kind of a tragedy, really.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out then.
So, what's it doing?
Well, right now it's guessing every letter, character, or number there is in humanity. Hell, even wingdings are being guessed here. They're trying to guess the password. This could take a while.
How long does it usually take exactly?
Minutes, hours, heck, even some days. I don't know, really.
I got a term paper to write that's due tomorrow, so I gotta get out of here. Alright, man. I'll catch you later.
Okay, I'll see you later, bro.
Mr. Jelinek, I presume.
Yeah.
Come with me. Take a seat. Jared, do you know why you're meeting with me and Mr. Zimmer today?
No, not really, no.
We're here to discuss your recent attendance record. Quite frankly, a lack thereof.
I missed one class. Literally, I mean, one. Uno, ein. What other language have to tell it to you, buddy? I only missed one class. That can't be the only reason I'm here.
Last night, the school's network was hacked and multiple files wound up missing. were able to trace the source of the attack with the help of Professor Zimmer, and the source of the attack was your IP address.
What?
We know you did it. Jared, this is very serious. You've damaged and stole school property, even if it was virtual. Jared, if you damage or hurt this school again, even if it's minor, I'm going to expel you, and I'm going to get the authorities involved. You're going to have to promise not to do this again.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Jared, you have to promise, or I'm going to get the authorities involved.
I promise I won't ever do this again.
Well, I think this discussion is over with right now. I think you and I are going to be very good friends, Jared.
Hey, Jared, buddy, what's up? Didn't get to see you yesterday.
Yeah, sorry about that, Marcus. Sorry about that. Hey, do you happen to know where I could get a VHS player?
I don't know.
Yeah, hey,
I definitely remember there being...
I gotta go right now. Yeah, I gotta go take a shower, man.
Wait,
Yeah,
I really need to talk to you.
Take a shower.
Hey. Earth to Jared. You there, buddy?
I feel him calling out to me, Marcus. Do you want me?
You were never supposed to watch the tape.
Who are you people?
We are the white noise.
The great powerful.
But the tape, what's wrong with the show?
You still don't understand, do you?
The tape was merely a siren's call.
Simply used to lure those to us.
That we may feed, Jared.
Is that what you plan on doing to me? You plan on feeding on me?
We must give back to the white noise, for our great bounty is upon us.
You are to return here tonight so that we may feed on your flesh.
But how will I know where to reach you guys?
Do not worry about such insignificant matters. You will know.
I know what must be done.
We did not think you would return.
We thought we would have to hunt you down.
We were disappointed. We enjoy the thrill of the hunt, but we will never turn down a free meal.
So what, are you guys gonna take forever or wait for your meal to get cold?
Even though you're trying to act brave.
You do a terrible job.
Of showing that you are truly brave.
I'm ready.
To Brute.